The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2010 Mazda CX-7 with factory installed fixed connection points. We've just installed the Yakima SkyLine CoreBar base roof rack system. This system consists of the Yakima CoreBar, 50 inches in length, that's the small, the SkyLine Tower, set of 4, and landing pad 22, that's for the front and rear position. So this SkyLine Tower actually has a quick release feature. Pull out the cover, and you can easily detach the crossbar assembly and insert a cap onto the landing pad, and then have it quick and easy rack whenever you need it. So crossbar spacing is 28 3/8 inches center to center, 165-pound total weight carrying capacity. Please click the link in the description below for more details and specifications, pictures, and easy ordering on that. This is just a quick walk around, but you can see it is a great rack system for this vehicle. Great for cargo boxes, bikes, kayaks, canoes, pretty much anything you need to throw at it that can handle it. So again, link in the description for more details. And this is just a quick look at this Mazda CX-7 from 2007 through 2012. So like always, thanks for watching.